How to fix no sound problem in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado let's get started. Navigate to the search icon at bottom left and type in Control Panel. Click on Open at right side and open it. In the View section you can view by large icon. After that you need to scroll down. Look for the option of Sound and now you need to open the Sound option. On this window, you have the multiple audio. If you have multiple audio devices connected, you need to select the one you want to use. Right click on your audio device and here you need to select disable. Wait a few seconds and right click again and then you need to select enable. After that, you need to adjust the audio properties. You need to click on your audio device, right click on it and select properties option. Now select labels tab and make sure that the speaker icon is not muted. Now you need to go ahead and click on Enhancement tab if you have and check Disable All Enhancement and you have to click on Apply and then OK. The final step is simply you need to close all the window one by one and taste your sound, then your problem should be fixed. That's it guys. Your sound issue should be resolved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.